Greetings, guys. Yeah, I was hungry for 3 days, guys. 3 days strong, hungry. Just imagine, because me and my looting busy electrician. You just imagine 3 days. Ngilala ngadlanga. During these 3 days, kwenzeka inhlanhlanyana here and there. Bangibize egigini. I was like, wow. Bangifike egigini ngiyadla. Acting gigs. So ngithi yo Nkosi yami, izolo I was at the point ukuthi manje ngidizzy, angikwazi ukunyaka, ngiphuza amanzi, ngifastile, but the energy I was not fast, but ngifastile, but energy wise I was not fast, but ngifastile. I was like, yo Nkosi yami, ziyabuya guys, yo it is terrible. Yo ngazi kade ngimele ama-payment, phela ama-payment akule industry yawumela, ethi industry especially boy background actor uyowalinda kuze okokoko walinda ama-payment. Hayi and ulamba unokudla. Ngize ngathi izolo nje ngathi let me swallow my pride, ngipheka next door. Ngafika ngipheka next door, yabo ngapheka next door, sisaxoxa manje lo mjita yangitshela about life yakuthi security industry sipana kanjani, all those things. Nami ngiyamtshela i-IT industry, siyafundisana, we educate each other about into ezenzakalayo, yabona. Yeah man, I was like you guys, la situation angisafuni uba kuyo. I don't want to be on that situation again, la ngizithola khona ukuthi hey angisakwazi ukwenza this and that, all those things. Ziyabuya man, ziyabuya. So yeah man, it was tough. And manje bangiyocharge emzini yabantu kumuncu manje. Ngifike ukubacharge ku-relative lapha ekhoneni kwama-relatives o-old lami. So ngicharge lapha ifoni for 3 days, for the past 3 days lo ngicharge ifoni yami khona lapho. So first day bangifika lapha bathi hayi bathokoza uthatha nayi 15 rand uthenge ikota. Angathenga ikota, ngathi I think relaxing nyana. Yabo kunini, I've been going through, ndiyagowa ugogogo, bendiyigogogo lapha, ndigowa ngiyigogogo. So but yeah, leya situation ngiyifuni, yazohlala ngifile feel useless. What feel useless as a man, feel useless. Payment bawongena, yazi money, i-pride and dignity yendoda. If indoda ayinamali, ayina-pride, ayina-dignity. Even nentombazane ethi ubuhle bendoda inkomo zayo. So inkomo bazingekho-ke uzothola phi ubisi? Tell me real, uzothola phi ubisi guys? Hayi, yazi mina I'm always a person ophila ngebudget. Ngiyabudgeta, ngiyasave, but ama-savings ami ayaphela because I'm always waiting for payments. Ama-savings ami ayaphela because izinto ziyaphela endlini while I'm waiting for money. I'm busy taking gigs. But the more gigs I take, the more money I make. But I have to wait for that money. Yo guys, this industry acting, may I have to go that route, but an industry acting, man, I offer to some of people. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Sikule industry, so sifele khona, so fele setting, we'll die on set. We'll die on set. I'm not the one person that will die on set. Mina ngiyofele setting. I staffed for 3 days. Imali ade lo ngiyimele, le mali lephele mina ngiyithole 4 months ago. Khala ngithola lamhlanje, khane ngibuze electrician. Just imagine, sengihlule 100 rand ngibize electrician. Mengena ngisi 2 rand inyana. Mengisho 1 rand inyana ukuthi umuntu uthathe noma igunyeli 1 guys. Angifuni anyone to go through what I've went through guys. If bokomunye umuntu ngabadala sikayibulele, yabo, but azange ngiqede umoya, ingenzeki, yabo. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys.